Have you ever noticed what happens in the body when you're angry? Maybe that's how you feel right now. What do you notice in your body now? How does your breathing feel? How about your chest, your skin, your head? Whenever any of us feel threatened, as often accompanies a sense of frustration or anger, lots of things can happen inside. For instance, you might sense blood rushing to extremities, breathing becoming more shallow, and the heartbeat increasing. Have you noticed any of that? How about other shifts in your body? None of this is necessarily a problem, since that's what a body should do when threatened, preparing you to confront whatever is coming at you. But what if you don't want to feel this way? And what if whatever's happening is not a real threat to you? Does that describe your own situation right now? Maybe, maybe not. Whatever the details, there's lots of things that can lead the body into a place of fight or flight. And for most people, once anger takes hold, it's hard to get away from it. Once in the blood, it seems to take on a life of its own. Unless you can try something. A way to rest in a place deeper than the feelings of anger. Deeper than angry thoughts. Deeper even than the physical sensations associated with anger. And what is that place deeper than all of this? Your awareness. Your awareness of all of this. If that sounds confusing, try this instead. How do your toes feel right now? I'm serious. In or out of your shoes? What do you notice in your toes? Maybe even wiggle them for a moment. Then stop. What do you notice? Tingling, numbness, coolness, warmth. How about the rest of your foot, laying there on the ground, surrounded maybe by a sock or shoe, or open to the air? What sensations do you notice? Why are we doing this anyway? What does any of this have to do with anger? Well, notice what you weren't paying attention to just now. The anger. Instead, you were directing your mind someplace else, apart from the anger. More than that, however, you were resting in a place deeper even than your toes or foot. Your awareness of your toes and foot. No matter what was happening in your foot, your job was just to watch it, not interfere, not fix it, not ruminate on it, not make anything different. And that's what you can do with anger too. The same thing you just tried with the foot, you can try with anger. Maybe right now, pushing back and watching whatever feelings of frustration you have, or thoughts, or sensations in your body. If you need, feeling the physical sensations of breathing, arising and falling, as a way to steady the mind. Then, returning attention to whatever feelings you're experiencing. Like all emotions, You might notice the wave-like properties of anger, rising, cresting, and passing away. It always passes, you know, if you let it and give it enough space. Thoughts also pass. Checking out thoughts you're experiencing right now. Mental content that passes through. Stepping back to experience thoughts as thoughts and not as automatic reality. Returning now to the body. Checking out any physical sensations you're noticing. One at a time, you can check all this out. Calmly, grounded. Just watching, not interfering, not trying to fix it, not trying to make it go away or make it any different. Letting it be. Right now. Exactly as you find it. The funny thing is this. As soon as you stop trying to make something different, it can start to change on its own. Don't believe us? Just try it yourself. You'll see. And when you open your eyes and re-engage with everything around you, practices like this can help you re-engage from a place deeper than all the mess or pain or frustration. A wise, calm, trustworthy place. So keep practicing, being here in the body, as long as you need. Good luck. We're rooting for you.